Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm sharing with you my baked mac and cheese. This mac and cheese is cheesy, creamy, and topped with a delicious breadcrumb. First, I like to start off with the pasta. I'm going to add in 16 ounces of elbow macaroni pasta to a pot of boiling salted water and going to cook according to package instructions. Then you want to drain and transfer the pasta to a mixing bowl. Then drizzle the pasta with some olive oil and stir to coat the pasta. Then place aside. Now let's start on the cheese sauce. In a deep saucepan or Dutch oven over medium-high heat, melt 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once the butter is all melted, add in 1/3 cup of flour and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. We are making the roux for our sauce. Then I'm going to slowly whisk in 3 cups of milk. We like using almond milk. Then 1 cup of heavy cream and continue to cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until thickened. Season with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of salt and pepper. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. Now it's time for the cheese. You're going to need 4 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese and 2 cups of shredded Gruyere cheese. I like to add in half at a time. So start off with 2 cups of the sharp cheddar cheese and 1 cup of the Gruyere cheese and whisk until smooth. Then add in the remaining 2 cups and 1 cup of cheese and continue whisking until creamy and smooth. Add the cooked pasta into the sauce and stir in until the pasta is fully coated. Now add half of the mac and cheese to your prepared baking dish and spread it out evenly. Top with some shredded cheddar cheese, and then I like to add some shredded Parmesan cheese. Then pour the remaining mac and cheese and spread it out evenly. And I like to top it off with some more cheddar cheese. And now we are going to make the breadcrumb topping. I have my little one helping me. In a small mixing bowl, I have 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs. I'm going to add in half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and half a teaspoon of paprika and mix together. Sprinkle over the top and spread it out evenly. You're going to bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until bubbly and golden. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. You can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for my next video. Thanks for watching!